Let's learn about Compute Engine quickly. What is Compute Engine? Compute Engine is a service that allows users to create VMs. In short, these are customizable virtual machines in Google Cloud. There are two types of machines we can choose from. First one is predefined, where CPU and memory are predefined as per t-shirt size. Second one is custom, where we can define the required CPU and memory as per application requirement. There are three types of machine we can choose that depends our application requirement. First we have general purpose, which is balanced in terms of CPU and memory. Second we have compute optimized, which are high performance computing machines, required more CPU than memory to execute the application. In last we have memory optimized, required more memory to execute the application than compute. There are many use cases available for Cloud Engine. Below are important ones which we use in our day-to-day activities. First we have websites, means web applications. Next we can use it for databases, means as database servers. Also it can be used for containers, for containerized applications. It can be used for Windows applications. Also we can use it for legacy monolithic applications as well. Don't forget to subscribe for more conceptual videos.